Welcome to Brilliant Info Systems. At Brilliant Info Systems, we empower businesses with digital twin technology, creating intelligent virtual replicas that help visualize, simulate, optimize, and transform real-world operations. As operations grow, organizations face production bottlenecks, warehouse inefficiencies, limited visibility, and increasing challenges in planning for future growth. Digital Twin creates a real-time virtual model of factories, warehouses, and supply chain operations, enabling businesses to test scenarios and make informed decisions before implementing changes. In manufacturing, it helps optimize production lines, machine utilization, robotic workstations, and material flow, improving efficiency without disrupting live operations. For warehousing and logistics, digital twin models storage systems, conveyors, AGVs, inventory movement, and order fulfillment to improve throughput and maximize operational efficiency. Integrated with Industrial IoT, MES, WMS, ERP, and SCADA systems, it delivers real-time visibility, predictive insights, and smarter asset management. Transform your operations with Brilliant Info Systems. With digital twin technology, you can make smarter decisions, improve efficiency, reduce operational risks, accelerate innovation, and confidently build the future of intelligent manufacturing, warehousing, and industrial operations. Brilliant delivers digital supply chain software for warehouse management, warehouse control, order management, delivery management, third-party logistics, manufacturing execution, enterprise asset management, real-time location tracking, and AI-powered analytics. We accelerate Industry 4.0 with automated storage and retrieval systems, digital engineering, digital twins, simulation, emulation, PLC programming, warehouse automation, conveyors sortation, automated guided vehicles, and autonomous mobile robots. Our industrial hardware portfolio includes RFID, Bluetooth Low Energy, LoRa IoT sensors, barcode and identification systems, mobile computing. Our Brilliant Light solution includes pick-to-light devices, weighing systems, load cell validation, and automation hardware. With headquarters in Pune, manufacturing facilities in India, worldwide channel partners, deployments across more than 9 countries, and dedicated 24/7 support, Brilliant delivers consulting, implementation, and lifetime customer success. Brilliant, engineering the future of smart warehousing and industrial automation.